It is another year of struggle among citizens here in Kenya, like Achelas Mukwate, here in Kibwezi market in eastern province of Kenya, a shoe repairer. This is his house of leather, waiting to repair a heap of second-hand shoes, and Mr. Mukwate is expectant of more income, given the expected increase of income among locals of low-income earners due to the waiting harvest from the fields.
Tunatarajia watu watalete kazi kwa sababu wamepata mavuno, na pia hii kazi yangu haitaathirika kwa sababu watu wamepata mavuno na watalete viatu vya repair hapa, na pia watu watalete viatu vya repair.
Mr. Mukwate admits that increase of income among locals will be there due to the harvest, and he says that despite that fact and the aspect that locals are used to go for new shoes whenever they get money, he is optimistic they will still come for repairs for their old shoes, and also his business will prosper due to the fact that school children will be returning, and those reporting to Form 1 in secondary schools will come for repairs and even also to buy second-hand shoes, which he says he sells in his house of leather.
Mimi ni customer hapa, na sana sana viatu zangu zile mzee huleta hapa kwenye repair, na kwa sababu zile viatu mpya siko na pesa nyingi, ndio sababu tunaleta kufanya repair hapa.
Mr. Peter Malemba, a customer I have caught up here, says he mostly brings his old shoes for repair in Mukwate's premise, and he says he is anticipating to buy second-hand shoes which Mr. Mukwate has displayed in shelves, waiting to sell them to customers. Mr. Mukwate says he repairs a pair of shoes for at between 5 shillings to 280 Kenya shillings, and he is anticipating for new products for his customers like motorcycle gears. Reporting for Voices of Africa Media Foundation in Kibwezi, Kenya, I am Yusuf Maleli.